Alright, so I'm going to add the clip in from shooting the Tannerite, and you'll be able to see. Did not work as planned. Says to do the mixing, you want to mix the aluminum powder and ammonia together, and you're supposed to put the powder on top of the explosive. And when you shoot the explosive, it's supposed to make the canister sitting on top of the powder. It's supposed to go up in the air, and it did not. So that was a fail. And instead of doing that, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to just spiderweb, buy 3-4 pounds of Tannerite, and then probably a pound or two of chalk powder off of Amazon. Once our brother finds out the gender, we won't know. I'll give him the money. He can buy it offline, either color, and he'll have it sealed up in a bag. We won't see it until we shoot it. All it did, I shot the Tannerite, and it just knocked over the blue. So I got blue. It was like chalk line dust. It's a very fine powder, like very fine. Should have went up. Sure seen blue everywhere, but you didn't see nothing. I did, however, bring the 6.8 and the 223 out. We'll shoot them both. Try to sight in the scope on the 6.8. You see the two yellow targets out there. That's the steel plate I was talking about earlier. I should have showed you when I was out there. Anyway, it's about a 1/4 inch thick, I believe. And I'll show you where I shot it with the 5.56 last time. And it just like, it looked like you took a drill bit to it. Punched right through it. That's it. Pretty good thick stuff. Yeah. You see where it just punched right through. Perfect little hole. That's the entrance. That's the exit. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. See what the 6.8 does to it. Stay tuned. You good? Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you I don't know why. Anyways, I'm gonna shoot the plate on the right just to show you what the 223 will do to it. That way you can see firsthand. And then we'll shoot it with a 6.8 and we'll go from there. Ready?
I'm good.
All right, let's go check it out and see.
That's a damn good hole.
All right, there we go. Now that's the first one we shot. These are the ones I just shot here.
And this is a 1/4 inch plate.
That is 1/4 inch plate. So that's some pretty good stuff. And that's just regular 55 grain 223s. All right, we're gonna shoot it with a 6.8 and we'll come back and check it out. Stay tuned. This is the 6.8 I've showed you guys in previous videos. I don't think I have Yep, that's it.
Okay.
All right, so this is the 25 round 6.8 SPCs. Yep, that's it.
All right.
All right. See if I can hit it. Ready?
I'm good.
I tell you, that's a night and day difference shooting that 6.8.
Yeah.
5.56.
Yeah.
It's got a decent amount. Look, well, it's not awful, but it does got a good bit more recoil to it.
Yeah.
I'd imagine these holes are gonna be pretty close to the same.
I think that would be. Could be.
I think they're a little. Well, they are slightly bigger.
Yeah, they're larger.
Still a good group though.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
For me, never turning adjust anything on that.
Just for eyeballing it through the
yeah,
through the side, or
it's pretty good. All right, we say we sent some green tips through there. We'll put the green tips on the smaller plate, and we'll see how that looks. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys. I'm out here at my pop's. If you have not checked out his channel, it is Murray Mayhem Country Living, or it might be Mayhem Country Living. I can't remember if he changed it or not. If you haven't checked it out, go check him out. He's got some awesome content on his, and he does all kind of stuff. A lot of food prepping. He does a lot of gun stuff as well, and showing some stuff on the property. So if you haven't seen his channel, definitely go check him out. Hit it with a 9.
9mm does not penetrate 1/4" steel plate.
Awesome.
Just good to know.
Yeah,
Just
now we
good
know.
To know.
You know, I actually heard this pinging by the truck. I mean, it was a loud, yeah, the 9.
Yeah.
It was it was actually a loud ping.
Yeah.
So
Popped that one a few times. So 9mm ball, regular ammunition will not penetrate 1/4" mild steel.
all right, well, that's good to know. Yeah. All right, we'll be back.
I'm turned off.
All right, so if y'all have not seen the green tips, this is a 5.56 ballistic tip, 62 grain, I believe so.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, and I put 4 or 5 in here. We're gonna hit the plate on the left, and we're gonna compare the holes, because the holes on the left is a 5.56 round already. So we're gonna be able to compare from a regular full metal jacket round to a ballistic tip green tip, and we'll see if there's any differences. Might not be, but it's nice to know. So. All right, ready?
Oh, put my ears in. Yep, hang on. Damn it. All right, I'm good.
Good? Well, let's see.
What we should have done.
Should have blocked them off. Well, actually, you can see.
Almost similar. We should have just done 5.56 and then ballistic tip. But way it is.
Oh, look how they're. Oh, you know what? Look how they're curved. It was turned. You can see.
Yeah.
You know, I'll pull the picture from the video a minute ago, and we'll compare them side by side. So that's a green tip. That's a green tip. That's a green tip. Regular 5.6, 5.6, 5.6. Yep. Regular, and these four here are the ballistic tips. You can tell the difference in especially the jacketing around them. It does kind of mushroom out pretty good too. It's interesting. All right. And shoot yours?
No, I was going to say let's shoot the ballistic tip, see if it will penetrate both sides. Or let's double stack.
You know, double stack them? Yeah. All right, here we go. So my battery's about dead, so what we're going to do, I got a green tip, regular, green, and regular. We'll shoot a ballistic tip, a regular tip. We'll go down, check it out, and we'll do it again if I stay alive that long. Ready?
Ready.
Oh yeah, and we did double stack the plate to see if it'll go through a total of about a half inches. Well, about a half inch. We'll see. I think it went through. If I hit it right. Hey. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell. I don't know which ones would have been the. Let's see that. That one. One of them two.
That one. Feel.
Oh, it sure did. Well,
almost penetrated.
Almost, and right here's the second one.
How far did it go through?
There's a bulge back here, a dent. All right, guys, so you can see a dent here.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
you see a dent there.
Well, look at the damage that it, I guess this was the first shot.
Oh, yeah, that's the ballistic tip. You can see where it all splattered right there.
And it damn near blew through.
Sure did.
Half inches.
That's pretty interesting. So let's look at it. Pull it off here and look. Oh, yeah, check that out.
Yeah.
Those top two right there.
Fire 4 times in the same spot with a ballistic tip.
Yeah. A couple more shots, it probably would have been through.
Half inches of steel.
And you can see where it kind of splattered there. That's the ballistic tip. Yep. Sweet. Oh.
Interesting.
Let's do it again. Okay.
I would love.
Oh, there we go. Okay. All right. We'll do it one more time.
It's recording.
Ready? I think I missed on the ballistic tip. Oh well. We'll still know if it went through or not. We got a pretty good little shooting range going. This is where that's where all our money goes. Well, maybe those two. I can't remember which ones was. Can you see dents?
Yes. 4 dents.
4 dents.
That one was there. That one was there. I'm gonna say these two.
Yep, them two right there, I'm sure. Okay, so I guess it's easy to say if you've got at least half inch of armor or plate between you and your gunman. Nothing bigger than a 5.56 ballistic tip. You'll be safe. Easy to say. All right, guys. So with that being said, we're gonna wrap up the day. If you haven't checked out Mayhem Country Living? Mayhem Country Living. If you haven't checked him out, go check him out. He's got some pretty good content on there. Does all kind of prepping, food prepping, long-term storage. Got some good stuff on there. Go check him out. Until next time, guys, y'all stay safe, have fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe.